So let's talk about how you can. This is Google Sheet. Just the same way you go to your drive. For example, you can go to drive here, then go to new. You click on Google Sheet here, click create new. So that's the same way I arrive here. So let's assume you are monitoring the project from project 1 to project 10, and you need to monitor the progress. So what you could do here is in Google Sheet, I just put project 1 to 10 here, and I want to monitor it by 20%, 40, 60, and 80, and I want to show the progress here, which you can do by 10, 20, depending on what you want. So all you need to do is to select all to here, all of them, and then you go to insert here, and then what do you want to put on? You want to put on, this is the checkbox. Click on checkbox, and that will add all the checkbox for you. So you have this so that you can check the box, the percentage, check what is the progress. Now in the progress table here, so all you just need to do is to go and write the formula, which is equal to, go there and write equal to. You can also see the formula down here. So you write equal to, you write spark like this, the spark here line. Then when you put up the spark line, you put up that count if, that is count it if. Then you know that you are going to select all the table, which is all the table that you have. So you have to select all the tables which you are looking at counting. So you are going to say count if. You now select from here to here. This is the table you are looking at counting, and then count it if it is true. So you type in true, the logical which claim make it to be true, and then at the end of it, when you put count it if it is true, then you know that you are going to close up the bracket, because you open up count it if it is true, and then open up the bracket, and then say now you want to put in the chart type. Now use the dictionary key, which is putting up like this. Then you put it up like a chart type, which is a chart, like CART, the chart type. So you now put it up the chart type like this, and you close it up, then put it up a comma. Now putting it at the chart type you're looking at, you want it to be a bar. Then after putting the bar, you close it up, then you come down, putting up this formula again, and then what is the maximum? So we go that the maximum, this is maximum you want it to be, that is max, or you want it to be is, let it be 5. So you put up comma 5, and after putting off comma 5, you close up the dictionary, and then remember to open the beginning bracket, go in and close it up. So this is what you're going to do, then press enter. So it means that at any point I put up this, it increase up like this. So if I put up this increase, so when you are done with this, and drag this down here. So at any point in time you click, if I click 40, you see the weight is increasing. This is 100, then you click up like this. See, anyone you click goes into that format. So this is a way you can create a chart, like a bar chart, and it then shows the progress. Then at any point in time you check, you then move on to that particular one. Then if you want to add the conditional formatting, then all you need to do is to select all of them, and all of them down to here, and then you go to format here. That is when you want to make it a conditional formatting, where you want to put it up the way you want it to be. Then go to conditional formatting down here, and then it brings up this for you. So what I want you to do in this aspect is that I want you to go to here and open up the way you have this. Go open up the test column. This is the test column. Look for test. Look for a test content. So in this way, which is here, you have that is not empty. Then look for like if the test content, now test content, which is here, and then you go down there, and I want you to type in the formula, which the formula is supposed to true. So if you put up here where you have formula, put up the formula is true, and when you put up the formula that is true, and then that is what you are going to have up here. Remember, you selected the table as it is, then put it up and a single. Also, this is exactly what you are going to do. So if you put it that it is true, and once it's true, you click on done here, then it is going to bring this this type for you. And the next thing you need to do is to add another rules. The another rules you're going to still put is in content, as it is content the same way you did before. That is text content, you put it here, and then you go down there, and what you need to do is to put it first. Now you can go there and type first when it is first, and then you can select the color you want it to. You can fill it with red, as the case may be, when it is first. And once that is done, this is a conditional formatting, so you can make the color pins and click it done. So what happens anytime you click on this, it changes to true. Anytime you click on this, it changes to false. So you can see the conditional statement. You can add other rules you want, but this, as you click, it goes. So if here this is progress, that is true. Any place I click, the color change to true, and where it is not, it changed to false. So this is the way you can create a condition. This is the way you can make a conditional formatting, as conditional rules formatting making, and this is the way you can make a progress. Remember the code, what I put up here. If you click on it, you're able to see the progress. You can see this as it is, and then when you're making a formatting, you make it like this. So this is how you can monitor your project. As you click on the checkbox and it is making a progress, you see here, come here, make it 100%. It goes in here. Let me make this 100% all of them. You can see the maximum bar chart. The chart is 100, so this is why you're having a 100 here. So you can see it here. So this is the simple way you can monitor your project and get it done. So you can ask me question if you have a question right now to ask me. Remember, I said it's Google Sheets, and I've shown you how you can create your own. So go ahead and ask me your question. Yeah.